So this program's in pretty good shape, but wouldn't it have been nice if there were a cough puzzle piece that we could have used right out of the box? Well, we can actually create that puzzle piece ourselves. Let's go to the More Blocks palette, click Make a Block, give this new block a name of cough, and click OK. And notice that Scratch has now provided us with the starting point via which we can make our own new puzzle piece. Now, what does it mean to define a cough? Well, let's go ahead and steal some of the pieces we used earlier, dragging and dropping them down to this new define cough block. And now let's go up to the top left here where we see a new puzzle piece that Scratch has called what I asked, cough, drag it inside of that loop, and now click the green flag. Cough, cough, cough. Exactly as before, but now look how much more readable my program is. When the green flag is clicked, repeat the following 3 times, cough. And that's it.